Here is the #1 semiconductor stock to buy in 2025. The 2024 industry winner had to have been semiconductors, with stocks like Nvidia, Broadcom, and Marvell leading the charge. But this left other stocks like AMD behind, moving down almost 30% for the year, with investors calling it the next Intel. But here's why I believe sentiment has gotten so bad that it's finally time to start a position in the stock. AMD is a leading global semiconductor company known for its cutting-edge processors and graphics solutions. Their revenue is primarily driven by its four main business segments: data centers, client segment, gaming segment, and embedded segment. So let's dive into the numbers. First, in Q3, they reported an 18% year-over-year total revenue growth and 31% EPS growth. But let's break that down even further. Their data center segment was up 122% for the year, with their margins also exploding for this segment. Their client segment also saw robust growth, with revenue up 29% and margins jumping to 15%. But their gaming segment saw a significant slowdown, down 69% for the year, with margins also significantly dropping. Their embedded segment also slowed by 25% for revenue and margins dropped slightly. And this is largely why the stock has underperformed massively this year, but also the reason why I think it's presenting a good opportunity. You see, the segments that are slowing down, gaming and embedded, are making up less and less of AMD's total revenue, while the fast-growing segments, data centers and clients, make up a much bigger chunk of their revenue. And the data center GPU market is set to become the biggest opportunity over the next decade, with analysts expecting the market to grow at over 25% per year. And although Nvidia currently dominates the GPU market with significant market share and exceptionally high profit margins, this dominance creates an opportunity for AMD to undercut Nvidia's prices. AMD's strategy focuses on delivering GPUs with comparable performance at lower prices. And remember, this space is big enough for multiple players to compete in, but AMD was late to the party, meaning they now need to make up for lost time by establishing trust with potential big tech clients. And they're already doing that with Meta, who recently announced that they are exclusively using AMD's GPUs to handle live traffic for Meta's demanding Llama Frontier model. The company expects 22% year-over-year revenue growth in 2024, and analysts are expecting EPS to grow by 50% in 2025, and then at around 30% for the 4 years after that. And with a price-to-forward earnings ratio of only 27, AMD is looking like a great opportunity at today's levels.